Welcome to Genius Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your leftover pasta using the ground beef. I'm using ground beef, but also I'm using some vegetables that are already chopped. You can see them there. Don't forget to subscribe or comment after watching this video. If you want to watch a video on how I make them, you can watch it. It's a separate video. So otherwise, let's get into it. You see, I started by putting in some ground beef in the pot. I'm not using any oil because most of this ground beef have some fat in them. After that, I put in some scallions there, 1 cup of scallions. You cut them any way you want. Break it apart, break it apart. And then next thing I do is put some turmeric. Turmeric is nice flavor. Also gives it some nice color. Love it. I am putting some cumin, 1 teaspoon of cumin there. 1 teaspoon of some salt. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And after that, you stir it all together. You cover it and let it simmer a little bit, and then you add some carrots. I love carrots. Also put some little color there. You can see it looks delicious, right? Yes, those are the famous cut vegetables, or you can say blended vegetables. Watch a separate video if you want to watch them, but you can see over there, that's a sample of how they look like. It's always good to have those in the fridge. That way you don't always have to cut up all the peppers, the onions, and all that. It's a lot of work. So just have them handy if you can in the refrigerator. So now I am ready to put the pasta. That's my pasta there, and you know, this is really a quick meal, very quick. We don't always have time to do all the long way of cooking. All I'm doing is basically warming up the pasta because pasta was cold, was in the refrigerator. So basically, everything is done now. Ready to dish it up. Check this out. You can put it on top of the bread or you can eat it by itself. Don't forget to hit the notification bell after subscribing so you won't miss out on this upcoming video. This is some great vegetable dish, so let's stay tuned.